Hi, this is a review of the orderIT trading system activity for September the 28th, 2021. We had one trade on that day. It was a buy. The company is Novavax. Tripped at 1:45 p.m. at a price of 205.87. It closed the day at 204.83. Yeah, Yahoo Finance is not working well this morning, so let's have a look at Google Finance. And NGX. Yeah. Okay, so this is the activity for that stock for the day. You see it dropped early morning. It dropped quite heavily from 230 down to 204, so it lost almost $30. That's where that 10% came from, and I didn't say that, but it did drop 11%. You can see that early morning it dropped that amount. But we can see here at 245, which is where it tripped, and then it came up here again in the middle, and then late afternoon here you can see here it did come up from around 247, stayed up 230. Yeah, talking here almost an hour period of time where it was above its tripping price, so that makes it a positive. But you can see the stock itself activity after it dropped for an early morning. You can see that it was multiple times where it was making a recovery, and the overall general activity at the well, for the most part of the day, it was recovering, even though certainly not to the extent that it lost early morning. Let's have a look at the indicators for that. See what they say. It should show the same thing roughly. Well, look, OBV is actually just jumping back and forth, so you can see that it is. So those periods where it jumped up, you can see it occurring here. MACD, yeah, you can see MACD not too bad. It was pretty much moving up on a regular basis. And as I say multiple times, MACD, this is somewhat consistent where you see this upwards, downward movements. The averages don't seem to be consistently showing just a general rise. For that particular indicator. The indicator itself seems to be a very fluctuating based type indicator. The eye is not too bad. You can see it's pretty much strong in the afternoon, but you can see late afternoon it came down a bit. But again, that's what you see. A Bollinger Band gives a nice clear presentation of the price activity, and you can see it pretty much from early afternoon just coming up. It was moving up, it just happened to drop off at the end of the day, which is where we lost. It came down below tripping price, but for the most part that activity just before late afternoon was showing that positive result. So anyways, that's 100% activity for the day. That stock did recover and enough to be positive. I'll leave it at that. Thank you.